Good morning, everyone. This is James, the local Viking, and in today's video, I'm going to show you a little trick involving the knowledge graph. So, every single listing on Google Maps has a knowledge graph tied to it on Google Search. This right here, this whole section to the right, is the knowledge graph. It's a nice little profile showing all the details on your business, and it's very important to ensure your knowledge graph stays up to date and is seen on Google Search. Now, if you want to find your business knowledge graph, you can do a search on your business name and address exactly as it appears in Google Maps. So if I went to, let's see here, I'm just going to find a random spot. I'm going to do Red Rose Pizzeria. And I'm simply going to take their name, put it into a search bar, take their address, put it right next to their name, and now I've generated their knowledge graph. Now this works 99% of the time. This video is going to address the 1% of the time where this trick does not work and what you can do to resolve that issue. So what happens is, whenever there's a suite number, a unit number, or if it's an address that's not in the United States, type in the name and address will not always bring up the knowledge graph. So what you can do is take off the unit identifier. So instead of unit 2217, pound 2217, or suite 2217, remove the unit, pound, or suite. And then press enter and see if that brings it up. If it still doesn't come up, try removing parts at the end. So we would remove Canada, see if it works, remove the zip code, see if it works, remove Alberta, see if it works, and remove Calgary and see if it works. If it still doesn't work at this point, you want to begin to ask yourself, did you get suspended? Because if you're hard suspended, then you wouldn't see a knowledge graph for that listing at all. Hard suspension means you no longer exist on Google Maps. But that concludes our video today. Just to recap real quickly, if you take the name and address of any listing on Google Maps, you should be able to pull up a knowledge graph just by typing that in. And if it doesn't pop up, start removing some pieces of the address to see if it will pop up. If you get down to the bare address and it still doesn't pop up, check to see if you got hard suspended. Alright, take care. See you in the next video.